Just a quick little how to cut your jeans into shorts video. To properly cut your jeans into shorts, you're going to want to put them on and hike them up to as high as you think you will be wearing them. Then, with a marker, mark on the front and back how high you want them, or I guess how short you want them. Take them off and draw straight across. And when you cut your jeans with the scissors, make sure that everything's laying flat. To fray the bottom of the shorts, just wash them and dry them, and then they'll just fray themselves. Thanks for watching my video, and thanks for all the support everybody gives me. Bye!